Okay guys, these are the new Stenheim speakers that they release, an entry level. I believe they are under 20 grand. They're a smaller footprint speaker, but I think they're still delivering the goods. So let's check them out, guys. Let's walk in with me. How much are the speakers? How much are the speakers?
These particular ones, about 23.
23,000 USD, guys.
Yeah.
They're brand new. They just came out, right?
Yeah, they just come out. This is the first time anybody's heard of them.
Let's hear them. Let's see. Thank you so much.
Hello, Jay.
Hi, how are you? Hi, here we are. Wow.
Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, such a lovely place. So many a room at the Hotel California. Any time of year, you can find it here. Her Majesty Fanny Twisted, she got the Mercedes Benz. She got a lot of pretty boys. She calls friends. Have they danced in the courtyard? Sweet summer sweat. Summer dance to remember.
Yes. All right, guys. I just requested a song that you've heard on my channel.
Wake you up in the middle of the night just to hear them say,
Let's see it.
welcome to
Let's see if they do it.
California.
Really good sounding speaker with the Darzeel.
Lovely place, such a lovely place, such a lovely place. Living it up at the Hotel California. What a nice surprise, what a nice surprise. Bring your alibi.
You know, they're small, but
On the ceiling.
I almost feel like they play really big and they have good bass.
We are all just prisoners here.
Yeah, they definitely have bass and they sound really big for they're not big speakers by any stretch of the imagination.
Gathered for the feast. Standing with this feeling nice, but they just can't kill the beast. Last thing I remember, I was running for the door. I had to find the passage back to the place I was before. Relax at the night, man. We are programmed to receive. You can check out anytime you like, but you can't never leave.
Here we go, guys. Let's see. Yeah, uh-oh, they played it for me. So far, it's the only room that has played one of my requests. In case you're wondering,
Crickets are chirping, the water is high. There's a song, cotton breads on the line, hanging dry. The windows wide open, African trees bent over backwards from a hurricane breeze. Not a word of goodbye, not even a note. She gone with a man in the long black coat. Some have seen him hanging around at the old dance hall on the outskirts of town. He looked into her eyes when she stopped him to ask if he wanted to dance. He had a face like a mask. Somebody said from the Bible he quote, there was dust on the man in the long black coat. Preacher was a talking, there's a sermon he gave. He said every man's conscience is vile and depraved. You cannot depend on it to be your guide when it's you who must keep it satisfied. It ain't easy to swallow, it sticks in the throat to give her heart to the man in a long black coat. There are no mistakes in life, some people say, it is true sometimes, you can see it that way. But people don't live or die, people just float. She went with the man in a long black coat.
Hit that like button, guys. Thank you for the support.